So how to convert USDT to Bitcoin, BTC, USD? If you are using light mode, then just convert it as Binance Pro, like a Pro. I'm using Binance Pro. Then go to search bar and type convert. Then choose convert, select this one, and now here you can see USDT. Select USDT and on to convert BTC, select BTC. Now enter your amount. Suppose I want to convert 10 USDT as a, or 1 USDT as a BTC. Then press on confirm. Now it's converted. Now how to check your BTC balance? Now press on your total amount, then you can see spot. Here you can see USDT and BTC I have, and if you go the funding, you can also available the BTC. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.